This right here is my chemistry crew, and we're back, and we're better, and we're new.
All we're gonna do today is teach you about the mole. This will help you get through a hole.
Don't get the mole mixed up. It's not the mole on Peter's butt.
No, the mole that lives in the ground. Don't worry, you'll come around. S-T-U-P-I-D should not be in your vocabulary. Get smart, not stupid. Get smart, not stupid.
The mole measures atoms or molecules. I know this doesn't sound cool. The mole uses Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Now that just made me sound like a nerd.
We use moles for conversions. We convert atoms to moles. Now you're on a roll. We convert grams to moles. Now we reached your goal. The reason we use moles is because atoms are so small, even smaller than your eyeball. Atoms can't be counted because we can't see them.
Now we're gonna give you a few examples, just like Costco gives you samples.
Hello? You need help converting atoms to moles? You know how easy that is? Alright, I guess I'll help you out. I'll give you an example right now. So, say you got 1.02 times 10 to the 24 atoms of sulfur. You ask, how many moles is this? Well, all you gotta do is use stoichiometry. You write down your given, and then you divide it by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, which is Avogadro's number. Give them a call. You know that 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 1 mole. Well then, you divide this, your given, by Avogadro's number. Make sure you use parentheses in your calculator. And then you get 1.69 moles of sulfur. S-T-U-P-I-D
Should not be in your vocabulary. Get smart, not stupid. Get smart, not stupid.
This is not over yet. Now don't forget about molar mass. You need this to pass. The molar mass is the atomic mass of an element in grams. To find the molar mass of NaCl, all you need to do is get the atomic mass, turn it into grams. The atomic mass of sodium is 22.99 plus 35.45, which is grams of Cl, equals 58.44 grams, which is the molar mass.
Percent composition is the amount of an element in a compound. Now put this in your brain on lockdown.
The molecular formula is a formula that gives the number of atoms in a compound. Now you're AP Chem bound. The empirical formula is a simplified whole number ratio of the molecular formula. Now this is turning into a phenomena. Example is, caffeine has an element of 49.48% carbon, 5.19% of hydrogen, 16.47% of oxygen, and 28.85% nitrogen. It has a molar mass of 194.19 grams per mole. What is the molecular formula? The first step is you find the mass percent of each element. The mass percent is the mass of each element, so you just turn that into grams. In step 2, you convert each element to moles using stoichiometry. As you can see, we converted and got the molar mass and converted to moles for each element. Next, we find the mole ratio. We divide the elements by the smallest number of moles, which was 1.02 mole. We divide that by each element to get whole numbers. That whole number gave us the number of each atoms for our empirical formula. Next, after finding the empirical formula, you determine its mass. The atoms given, you multiply by the mass of each element. Once you get that, you get 97.0 grams per mole of the whole entire empirical formula. Last two steps, you divide the molecular mass by the empirical mass to find how many times greater it is. In the beginning of the equation, we had 194.19 grams per mole. And the empirical mass, which we just got, was 97.0 grams per mole, which got us 2. Now we multiply 2 to our empirical formula, which got us N4 to O2.
STP stands for standard temperature pressure. Don't worry, we're getting near the end of the semester. Conditions for STP is 0 degrees. Knowing this will help you get a degree.
The standard pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. Now we're done with this lecture.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
You convert. What am I saying?
Did I even press record?